In a world where nature and architecture blend, there's a city like no other. Here, no ordinary builders with cranes and mixers. Instead, ancient titans, eyes glowing with age-old wisdom. Each morning, these majestic beings rise with the sun to continue their endless task. Their movement is an ancient dance, each gesture with purpose. See how they command the city's living matter. Under their touch, towers of glowing mushrooms rise, bridges weave from ancient tree roots. Each building is a living organism, pulsing with its creators. Streets here are mysterious labyrinths, each turn leading to new wonders. Bridges float, linking gardens and hanging terraces. See how these ancient masters craft every detail. Their fingers, as big as buildings, create delicate patterns that glow mysteriously. As the sun sets, the city glows with thousands of lights. Bioluminescent mushrooms and crystals light up, creating a light symphony. Titan builders continue their eternal work. The city never stops growing. This place proves amazing creations are born where nature meets magic, ancient wisdom with life's flow. This is the city of Titans, never ceasing to amaze.